What's up guys? Mac na pala, yung bagong 747 family member. Alam niyo na ba yung ongoing na pasabog ng Hacksaw Gaming at 747 Live? Hindi pa? Tara, ipapakita ko sa inyo. Gusto mo bang manalo ng Easy Condo Unit, Easy MacBook, Easy iPhone 15, or 747 chips na pwede mong gamitin para maglaro? Ito na yung chance mo. Paano sumali? Madali lang. Mag-bet at maglaro ka lang sa 747 Casino from September 14 to October 5 at matik, meron ka ng entry. Ito pa, pag nilaro mo yung bagong game na Kill Screw 2 from September 14 to 30, magkaka-entry ka na, may 15% cashback ka pa. San ka pa? At remember, the more you play, the more interest you get. Kaya ano pa hinihintay nyo? I-try nyo na. Malay mo, ikaw yung mananalo. Ang winner ay i-announce ngayong October 7 at 7:47 PM. To check your entries, visit nyo lang tong link. Once again, this is Mac. Thank you for your time. Always remember, bet responsibly. Bye!